In this video, we'll be exploring the xTool S140W laser cutter and engraver, a machine that combines impressive power with precision to make both small and large projects. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laser engraver in the description below at the best price. The xTool S1 is equipped with a 40-watt laser capable of effortlessly slicing through 18mm cherry wood in a single pass, while its 600mm per second engraving speed ensures that projects are completed quickly without sacrificing quality. The generously sized 23.93-inch by 15.16-inch bed gives you plenty of room to work on large projects, from intricate door signs to multiple dog tags at once, making it perfect for hobbyists and small business owners alike. What sets the S1 apart are its patented technologies, like pinpoint positioning for ultra-precise 3D engravings, even on curved surfaces such as spoons or plates. The AutoPassthrough technology lets you work on extra-long projects up to 118 inches, expanding the creative possibilities significantly. For beginners or first-time laser engraver users, xTool has made the S1 extremely accessible. The machine comes ready to use out of the box with autofocus functionality and the user-friendly xTool Creative Space software. With pre-tested parameters for over 400 materials, even a simple preview and click can generate professional-grade results. If you're not confident in your design skills, the AI-powered software can help create unique designs with just a few words. Plus, the machine comes with over 1,000 step-by-step project tutorials to guide you through the process. Safety is a top priority with the S1. Its Class 1 enclosure filters 99% of laser light, so you don't need goggles, and the design blocks smoke and noise for a comfortable workspace. Built-in flame sensors automatically stop the machine if a hazard is detected, while the emergency stop button and lid open feature provide additional protection, ensuring it's safe around children and pets. Durability is another highlight. The S1's aerospace-grade aluminum frame guarantees stability and long-term reliability. Each unit undergoes extensive testing, including laser tube aging and power stability checks, to ensure consistent performance. While it comes at a higher initial cost than entry-level laser cutters, the xTool S1 delivers unmatched power, precision, and versatility that can handle both personal projects and professional workloads. Whether you're engraving on wood, metal, or acrylic, this machine offers speed, accuracy, and safety in one premium package.